Today we're gonna paint a canvas using a VR headset. I'm using to use the VR headset to paint really big walls and to project my art in really big surface, but this time we're gonna try something smaller like a canvas, because you always ask me here in the comments if this would work in small surfaces, so let's put it on proof. For this we have this really small canvas. I wanted to go really small so we can put this really improve. To start with, the VR needs a surface that don't move. So the first tip I can give you is to have a tape. You can use the tape in two different ways. The first way is to mark where your canvas started with. So we're gonna start with that. This way, even if I'm painting and I move the canvas, I know exactly where it is before, because the design will not move you with your canvas, they will be fixed. So you need to be sure that you know where your canvas were before you started your thing. So I know exactly where my canvas is supposed to be all the time, because you can always move it. Or the second thing that you can do, you can use a double side tape that I don't have at the moment, and fix your canvas on your table. I think this is the best tip, of course, but if you don't have, you can do with what you have, you know? As we say, who don't have a dog, hunt as a cat, you know, alone. Now it's time that we start the fun part. For this canvas, I'm gonna use this art here, so everything that I need to do is go to my library, choose my design. I will choose this one, and let's place it. I can place it doing surface detection, but I like to use the controller for it, and we're gonna place it here using the A button that you have in your meta. Ooh, we already can see the art here. Let's go next. We're gonna scale it a bit to have the same size of my canvas. I need to rotate it. I have all these adjustments to be sure the design will be as smooth and fixed on the canvas. I was supposed to say wall, but we don't have a wall anymore, as it should. So let's keep it doing it. Can you see that I think it's not that centralized, so I think I will move a bit. So let's move. I can see also if my design is the surface that I want or is more on top. I saw that this is more deep and I don't want to be that deep. I want this to be the same. To be sure that this is exactly on the surface that I want, I need to go to draw. I will enable PTC, that's my anchor camera, and I'm gonna use it to scan all the areas to understand that I'm using this canvas. As soon as I do that, I go to disable, I go to anchor, and I'm gonna adjust the deep calibration. This is where I put this on top or less to be sure that this is exactly what I want on my canvas. Now that we have everything, we're gonna do the design in two different ways. I'm gonna put on draw, and now it's saved my design, and I will do part of it with a pencil, and I will mark here. Ooh. And I'm gonna mark exactly my design. On my walls, I always do that first. I prefer to sketch with the pencil and paint after without the glasses, because I prefer to paint everything without the glasses, so I'm sure that everything is precise, that the lines are crispy. But in this canvas, I'm gonna do half of it in the way that you are seeing right now. I'm really glad that I put tape on my canvas, so this is not moving. I was like, I cannot see it, so let's put less opacity so I can see both my design. Now we can see both my design and my line. But this canvas, I think I will paint part of it directly with the headset. This is something that I never tried before, will be the first time that we're gonna do it together, guys. Before I take off the glasses to paint it where I use the pencil, we're gonna try to paint with the glasses on, okay? I never tried before, so let's see how things goes. It's kind of weird. So let's paint it. I don't really see the border of my paint while I'm doing it, so I'm not sure how crispy are my lines. It's more tricky than it seems like, guys. What I can tell is I don't recommend you to do what I'm doing. I don't think you can have it like, I feel that I'm not seeing everything, you know. I can see the design, but I'm not sure if I can see fully what I'm doing on canvas. Okay, it's possible, but I would not recommend it. I still prefer to see the lights and see the real life. I think things get better like that. But at least we know that's possible now. No? I will try one more color before to... I will still give a little bit of a try before to say... Ah! Why I'm so messy? Why? I will need to do a shape here to hide this. We had some technical issues, so right now I'm gonna do a shape here just to hide what I did. Oh God. Okay, let's take the normal traditional way to do it. Oof. Because I don't think painting with the glass on was the best idea that I could have in my life. So here we are. Here I will need to change a bit because now I have a shape of something that I just dropped on my canvas. So we have the proof now that we can sketch it on really small surfaces. Ooh la la! This is amazing. So right now I just need to use my paints that I just dropped almost everything here. And ooh la la, oh my God. No. Now that I tried painting with the glasses on and now without them, I would say don't paint with them. I have so much more stability. I know what I'm doing. No, this is important. I think this is too small. Let's change a bit for a small one. This is the first time that I'm doing really small surfaces. Normally I don't paint canvas. I think I just painted 3 canvas in my life. So this is another reason why I don't use the VR headset to this functionality. But I felt that it was as stable as on the big walls. To be honest, I still prefer with the big walls. I feel that the stability is even better on the big walls. But you can use look, the lines are literally perfect. Everything is on place, the proportions. So you can really use it. This is a new update, to be honest, because right now we can do also new things with this app that I use to do my canvas, with this app that I use to project my arts. Now we can use curved surfaces. I was so impressed with this tool. Also, I went on the streets to find a curved surface and I used it, and I have a video here on YouTube where I show you how you could use it and how it would work in real life, and was so amazing to do that. I was impressed with this functionality. I'm not doing like perfectly because I just want to have the idea that we can do it. La la. For this project, I'm using the MetaQuest 3. You can use also the 3S. The 3S is also from Meta. and it's cheaper. The only difference is that the resolution is not that big as the Meta Quest 3, but I think if you are just doing a small canvas, the Meta Quest 3S is even easier and better because you don't need really big resolution just to do a small canvas. Like you can do big canvas, but I don't think a canvas will be big as the walls that we normally do as mural artists. The prices, I think the Meta Quest 3, the one that I use, is around 500 euros. The Meta Quest 3S is 300 euros, so you can save some money to just going a little bit low resolution, what's even better and easier, especially when you are trying to make some profit with your art and everything. This app that I'm using is Stencil Vr, and you can have 10% discount with my code that I will let here on the description. And if you want to know how to use the VR headset to do murals, you can just go to my channel and see, because I have a lot of tutorials of how to use the VR headset, how to paint murals and other tips. Another thing that I like is, one thing that I like about this app, if I want to get a rest or if I want to stop to work and just to come back work another day, I can just quit the app. And right now, if I just open the app again, here we are, let's open it again. I can just use the previous placement and my design will be exactly where it was before. Look, now we can see both my painting and also the design, and I will show you right now the results of this painting. I always paint with clothes that I love, and I will say like, no, I'm not gonna do a mess, and like, I did a mess. And now I have one more clothes with stain of paint. I think this is what we do as an artist, you know. I feel that missing one green here that I didn't saw before. And here we are, the results of our canvas. Yes, we can project in really small surface, we can project in canvas, so the VR is not just for walls, it's also for canvas workers. Maybe we can do even with other things. I was thinking about even with sewing. So how can you rate my art? I know this is not the best one because I just want to do fast to show you guys. So, and maybe I should do a really big canvas because I like to go big. I'm not the kind of person that likes to do small surfaces. This why I travel the world doing my murals, because I like to paint in really big walls. If you have any more doubts or any more questions to do about the VR, just write here in the comments and I can do a video especially for you. I hope you like this video. I have a lot of tutorials on my channel too. So we'll see you in the next video.